Hair fall is a common concern for many people, and distinguishing between normal and abnormal hair loss can be challenging. Understanding the factors that contribute to hair shedding, recognizing the signs of abnormal hair loss, and knowing when to seek professional help can provide clarity and peace of mind. Additionally, incorporating information about beauty products can add value to the discussion on maintaining healthy hair. Here's a comprehensive look at how to determine if your hair fall is normal. Understanding hair growth and shedding. Hair grows in cycles, and it's normal to lose some hair every day. The hair growth cycle consists of 3 phases: anagen phase, growth phase. This is the active growth phase that lasts for 2 to 7 years. About 85 to 90% of your hair is in this phase at any given time. Catagen phase, transitional phase. This phase lasts for about 2 to 3 weeks, during which hair growth slows and the hair follicle shrinks. Telogen phase, resting phase. This phase lasts for around 3 months. After this period, the hair falls out, and a new hair begins to grow in its place. On average, it's normal to lose about 50 to 100 hairs per day as part of this cycle. However, several factors can influence hair shedding, including age, genetics, hormonal changes, stress, and overall health. Factors influencing hair fall: age. As you age, hair growth slows, and hair may become thinner and more prone to falling out. Genetics, family history plays a significant role in hair loss. If your parents experienced hair loss, you are more likely to experience it as well. Hormonal changes, hormonal fluctuations due to pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, or thyroid problems can affect hair growth and shedding. Stress, physical or emotional stress can trigger hair loss. This type of hair loss is usually temporary and can be reversed once the stress is managed. Nutritional deficiencies, lack of essential nutrients like iron, vitamin D, and protein can lead to hair loss. A balanced diet is crucial for healthy hair growth. Medical conditions, conditions like alopecia areata, scalp infections, and autoimmune diseases can cause abnormal hair loss. Signs of normal hair fall. Normal hair fall is characterized by losing 50 to 100 hairs per day, finding a few hairs on your pillow, in your brush, or in the shower drain. Hair falling out evenly across the scalp. If your hair loss fits these criteria, it's likely a normal part of the hair growth cycle. Signs of abnormal hair loss. Abnormal hair loss can be identified by losing significantly more than 100 hairs per day, noticeable thinning or bald spots, hair falling out in clumps, widening part or receding hairline. When to seek help. If you are concerned about your hair fall, consider consulting a healthcare professional. If you notice sudden or excessive hair loss, bald patches or significant thinning, scalp pain, itching, or redness, hair loss accompanied by other symptoms like fatigue, weight loss, a dermatologist or trichologist can perform a thorough examination, including a scalp biopsy or blood tests, to determine the cause of your hair loss and recommend appropriate treatments. Tips for healthy hair. Maintain a balanced diet. Ensure you are getting enough vitamins, minerals, and protein. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, or exercise. Avoid harsh hair treatments. Limit the use of heat styling tools, chemical treatments, and tight hairstyles. Use gentle hair care products. Choose shampoos and conditioners that are suitable for your hair type and avoid products with harsh chemicals. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for overall health, including hair health.